Hi, Millie.
Hi, Mrs. Winchester.
Oh, please call me Nina. Come on in. So why do you want this job?
I just really enjoy being a housemaid. For the right families, of course.
You know this is a live-in position, right? Ta-da! This is your room. What do you think?
It's perfect.
Okay, good.
I have good judgment.
So would you like the grand tour?
I know I have good taste.
See what you're getting yourself into? The job is mostly cleaning, organizing, some light cooking.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Hello?
Millie's gonna be living with us.
She's gonna live with us.
Andrew, I told you that. She'd be part of the family. I want you to feel safe here.
I do.
Theodore. You're a lifesaver. I don't know what I'd do without you. Millie.
Whatever devil's inside you, whatever devil's inside you, don't let him out tonight.
I need this job. I can't lose it. I do not want to go back.
All I'm asking, baby. Please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, please, don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. Please,
I have a really good feeling about this, Millie.
Me too.
Okay, I'll be in touch.